Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. After a long time, we are coming back to this academic year. I miss you all a lot and I am happy to see you back. I hope you have enjoyed the Corona holidays. Yes? Okay, enjoy it. But at the same time, you have to give importance to the studies. Okay, children? Okay? Now, let us start our class. Listen carefully. Now, we are going to discuss about the first lesson, that is the number system. Okay? In your maths book, the first lesson is number system. So, we are discuss about that lesson only now. Now, first, before going to the class, we are going to learn some important points from number system. First point is natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers. Natural numbers means the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. Counting numbers. Counting numbers means you may remember the time when as a little child you began to learn counting. You usually use your fingers to count 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers are called counting numbers. அப்படிதானா நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்ஸை கவுண்ட் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம கவுண்ட் எப்படி பண்ணுவோம் 1, 2, 3, 4 அப்படிதானே கவுண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் கவுண்டிங் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த கவுண்டிங் நம்பர்ஸை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றது நேச்சுரல் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ நேச்சுரல் நம்பர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் கவுண்டிங் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. The natural numbers, you see that first letter is capital N. So the set of natural numbers is denoted by N. Okay, the set of natural numbers is denoted by N. Therefore, N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is infinite numbers. So, you see that natural numbers always starting with 1. Always starting with 1. So, this is the smallest number in the natural number. Okay. So, what is the smallest natural number? The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. But it is not possible to find the greatest number. Why? Because natural number system has infinite numbers. Yes or no? You see that infinite numbers. This is going on. So that's why it is not possible to find the greatest number. Okay? Only smallest number only there. That is 1. So again, one more time I will explain. So listen carefully. Natural numbers. Natural numbers means the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. Okay? Next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers. This is the natural numbers starting with 1. Natural numbers starting with 1. But your whole number is the set of natural numbers along with 0. Forms a new set of numbers called whole numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, etc. Yes? But here whole numbers means along with 0. Along with 0 means that is the whole numbers. Okay. So whole numbers means the set of natural numbers along with 0 forms a new set of numbers called whole numbers. Here whole numbers, the first letter is capital W. Okay. So therefore the set of whole number is denoted by W. Thus, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So, you see now natural number is always starting with 1, but your whole number is always starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, so here the smallest number is 0. In natural smallest natural number is 1, smallest whole number is 0. Okay, the difference is there. Here natural number is always starting with 1, but whole number is always starting with 0. Okay, so this is the difference, natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay, do you understand? Natural numbers அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு எப்பவுமே 1 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். Okay, listen children, natural numbers means எப்பவுமே 1 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். 1 2 3, the counting numbers 1 2 3 are called natural numbers. So whole numbers means the natural numbers along with 0. Okay, that is the difference, natural numbers and whole numbers. Next one is even numbers. Natural numbers finished, whole number finished. The third one is even numbers. Even numbers. In previous classes, in first standard onwards you studying. Yes, even numbers means what? Which numbers are called even numbers? Yes, even numbers end with the digits. Even numbers end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. அப்படிதானா? எந்தெந்த நம்பர்லலாம் லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட், அதாவது ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் நம்மளுக்கு 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 வருதோ அந்த நம்பர்லாம் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படிதானா? ஸோ இந்த ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் கண்டிப்பா மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 2 தான் இருக்கும். மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 2 மீன்ஸ் இஸ் a 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Yes, you see the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So these numbers are even numbers only. This is a multiples of 2 also. So even numbers mean any natural numbers which is a multiple of 2. எந்த நம்பர்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 2 இருக்கோ, அதாவது 2 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகக்கூடிய நம்பர் எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ். சரியா? ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ்னா நம்மளுக்கு சிம்பிளா தெரியும், லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 இதுல முடிஞ்சிருக்கும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாம அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு 2 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும் கண்டிப்பா. இன்னொன்னு அந்த நம்பர் நம்மளுக்கு கண்டிப்பா மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 2 இருக்கும். சரியா? சோ இப்படி இருக்க நம்பரை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், யூ see that 18 last digit you see 8. So 18 is a even number. You see the second number 24, you see the last digit 4. So therefore 24 is a even number. The next number 42, you see the last digit 2. Yes, so this number also an even number. 1000 last digit is 0, so this number also is an even number. And one more thing, these numbers all multiple of 2. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because this 18 is divided by 2 and 24 is divided by 2, 42 also divided by 2 and 1000 also divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Surely 18 is divided by 2. Why? The 2 table. 9 2s are 18. So surely 18 is divided by 2. Okay. So even number means any natural numbers which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. Okay. Even number means multiple of 2. So odd number means which is not a multiple of 2. Ulta. Even number oda opposite தான் நம்மளுக்கு odd numbers. அப்படிதானா? odd number வந்து எதுல முடியும்? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So இந்த நம்பர்ல லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் முடிஞ்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதை odd numberன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படிதானா? So அதே மாதிரி தான் odd number வந்து நம்மளுக்கு என்னவா இருக்கும்? not a multiple of 2 இருக்கும். Even number means multiple of 2, odd number means not a multiple of 2. Okay, Okay, children, you see the example now. 17, 17. You see the last digit 17. Last digit is 7. So therefore, this number is definitely odd number. 21. You see the last digit is 1. So therefore, definitely this number is even number. So 405 same like, okay. So 405 and 3003 also an odd number. Okay. Okay, children. So understand? Do you understand now? Okay. So you don't forget these 4 points. That's a number system is very important topic. So you natural number first one, second one is whole number, third one is even numbers, fourth one is odd numbers. Okay. So difference is there. Natural numbers means, once again, natural number means starting with 1, 2, 3, etc. And whole number means starting 0. Starting with 0, then after natural numbers will come. Okay. Then even numbers mean any natural number which is a multiple of 2 is called a even number. So any natural number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Now all of you take your classwork notes. All of you take your classwork note. Take a new page. Write today's day and date. Have you written? Take your classwork note and take a new page and write today's day and date. Finish? Yes. Now you write the heading, lesson number 1, number system. Start your writing. Lesson number 1, number system. Finish? Okay. Now you copy the classwork from the board. Copy it. Write neatly and clearly. Along with the homework, you have to send classwork also. So you write neatly, okay? I will check your handwriting. Start. First one is natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. Write it fast. Same time, write neatly and clearly, okay? Yes. Then first point is, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. And the second point is, the set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Thus, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers finished? Okay. Now, next one is whole numbers. You leave one line, then after you start whole numbers. Okay. So, whole numbers. The first point is the set of natural numbers along with 0 forms a new set of numbers called whole numbers. Write neatly, where handwriting is very important. So you write it neatly and clearly. Okay, children, I will check your handwriting. So you write it neatly. First point is finished. Now second point. The set of whole numbers is denoted by W. Thus, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Have you finished? Okay. I hope you have written the classwork. Next, third one is even numbers. Even numbers, any natural number which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. Examples also you write, okay? This is no need to write. Even numbers. Then after you write the odd numbers also. Okay? Did you finish? Yes. Okay. I hope you finished your classwork. So now we are going to the exercise sums. Okay. So listen carefully. Don't move here and there. Just you listen. First problems. First question is, write the even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406. Okay. Your question is, listen children, don't write anything, just listen. Okay. So now, first see the first question, write the even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406. என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கும் இடையில உள்ள ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ் என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சரியா? 52,391க்கும் 52,406க்கும் இடையில உள்ள ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ். நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ்னா லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் என்னவா இருக்கும்? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாம அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 2 இருக்கும். Okay, so now, okay, say the solution. So first you write, you want to know, first you write the numbers between these two numbers. First you write all the numbers, okay. So the numbers between 52,391 and 52,406 are. Say the numbers. The ரெண்டுக்கும் இடையில உள்ள நம்பர் என்னலாம்? Say the answer. So 52,391. Next number is 52,392. Okay. The next one 52,393. The next number 52,394. 52,395. Next one 52,396. 52,397. 52,398. 52,399. 52,399 after 400. Is there no? Yes. Now 52,401, 52,402, 52,403, 52,404, 52,405. Next 52,406 already is in your question, so no need to write. So these more numbers are there between 52,391 and 52,406. Okay. Now your question is even numbers. These numbers are between numbers, but we need only even numbers only need. Okay. So choose the even numbers. Even numbers mean is a multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 means say, last digits end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. You see the last digit. You see that it's a last digit 2. So that's why this number is even number. No. You see the last digit 4. So it is an even number. And no. So yeah, this is an even number. Why? The last digit end with 6. So not a even number. Even number, last digit end with 8. Okay. So that's why no. This is an even number. And no. Yeah. Why? The last digit end with 2. That's why it is an even number. No, not an even number. It's an even number. Okay. So now you write the answer. Therefore, the even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406 are, you write the numbers, okay, even numbers only. 52,392, 52,394, 52,396, 52,398, 52,400, 52,402 and 52,404. Okay. So these numbers are even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406. Now clear? Okay. So listen. Write the question is write the even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406. Okay. Question வந்து இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கும் இடையில உள்ள ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸை நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம். ஸோ ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸை எழுத போகிறோம்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு எல்லா நம்பரையும் முதல்ல எழுதிக்கிறோம். சரியா? ஸோ எல்லா நம்பரையும் எழுதியாச்சு. த நம்பர்ஸ் பிட்வீன் 52,391 அண்ட் 52,406 ஆர் ஆல் த நம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் யூ ரிட்டன். Okay. Then after you choose the even numbers. Even numbers, that is very easy only. Yes or no? Last digit end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So அதெல்லாம் பார்த்து அந்த நம்பர்லாம் எழுதிட வேண்டியதுதான். The answer. Okay. Okay children? Understand? Yes. Okay. Now you write the classwork. Copy it in your classwork note. You write the problems, put the heading and write the first question. Write the even numbers between 52,391 and 52,406. Write it. Write it fast, write it neatly and clearly, okay? You continue the classwork. First You written the definitions, then after you follow the problems, okay? You write it. Finished? Did you finish? Yes. Okay. Now second question. Now, the second question, write the odd numbers. Write the odd numbers between 22,301 and 22,315. Okay. First question is, write the even numbers. Okay. Here second question is, write the odd numbers. So, same method, first you should write all the numbers between 22,301 and 22,315. Okay. So, let us start. The numbers between 22,301 and, listen children, don't write anything, and 22,315, or say the number. First number is 22,301. So next number 22,302. Okay. Continue. 22,303 and 22,304, 22,305, 22,306, 22,307, 22,308, 22,309, 22,310, 22,311, 22,312, 22,313, 22,314, 14. Next, 22,350. Already is in your question, so no need to write. So, the numbers between, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 numbers are there. Now, you have to choose only odd numbers, okay? Odd numbers only you can choose. So, which numbers are odd numbers? You know, odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers எதுல முடியும்? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. இந்த நம்பர்ல முடிஞ்சிருந்தனா அது என்னது நம்மளுக்கு? odd numbers. So இதுல இருந்து choose பண்ணுங்க. This yes, so it is an what? Odd number. Yes, last digit end with 5, so this is an odd number. This is last digit end with 7, so it is an odd number. It is an even number. Yes, yes. So it is an odd number. Odd number. This. Okay. So therefore, the odd numbers between 22,301 and 22,315 are, say the answer. First number is 22,303 and 22,305, 22,307, 22,309, 22,311 and 22,313. Okay. Okay, children. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now start the classwork. Write it. First sum already finished. Now second sum. Write the odd numbers between 22,301 and 22,315. Okay. Write the answer. Write it neatly and clearly. Okay. Write neatly, children. Along with your homework, you have to send the classwork also. So you write neatly. I will check your handwriting. Okay. So you write neatly. Okay. Have you finished classwork? Yes. I hope you have written the classwork. Now, you take your book, page number 5. Now, all of you take your book, page number 5. All of you take your book, page number 5. I hope you have taken the notebook. Yes or no? Yes. So, the homework is try these. Is there? Page number 5, try these. Is there or not? Yes. So, how many sums are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sums are there. That is homework. Okay. So, once again, I will explain. So, listen carefully. Okay, children? You see the first question. What is the successor of 9,909? This is a homework sum. So listen carefully. I will explain one time. Okay. So listen carefully. First question is, what is the successor of 9,909? Successor. You know, successor means after a number. ஒரு நம்பரோட அடுத்த நம்பர் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், சக்சஸர்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படிதானா? ஸோ அப்போ 9,909ஓட சக்சஸர் என்ன? Yes. Okay. You write the answer. Okay, children? Okay. Next question. What is the predecessor of 92,500? Predecessor means previous number. The number that comes just before a number is called predecessor. ஒரு நம்பரோட முன்னாடி உள்ள நம்பரை தான் நம்ம predecessorனு சொல்லுவோம். சக்சஸர்னா பிறகு வாரது. இப்போ 1 ஓட சக்சஸர் என்னது? சப்போஸ் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2. ஓகே. ஸோ 2 ஓட சக்சஸர் 3. 2 ஓட predecessor 1. ஓகே. ஸோ சக்சஸர்னா முன்னாடி வரக்கூடியது, predecessor மீன் பின்னாடி, previous number. ஓகே children? ஓகே. ஸோ now write the answer. Okay. Already you have been studying in the previous classes, successor, predecessor, everything. First order onwards you have studied, so you know, so you write it. Okay. Yes. Now come to third question. Write any 5 numbers between 3,000 and 4,000. Write any 5 numbers between 3,000 and 4,000. Only 5 numbers only need. Okay. Only 5 numbers only need. 3,000, between 3,000 and 4,000. 3,000க்கும் 4,000க்கும் இடையில உள்ள நம்பர் ஏதாவது 5 numbers மட்டும் சூஸ் பண்ணு. Any numbers. It's a your wish. Okay. Your wish. So choose any 5 numbers. Then after arrange them in ascending order. Arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay, small to big. So third question, write any 5 numbers between 3000 and 4000 and arrange them in ascending order. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you come to fourth question. Write any 5 numbers between 6000 and 7000 and arrange them in descending order. Fourth question is, write any 5 numbers between 6000 and 7000. Same third question type only. Here you write same thing, only 5 numbers between 6000 and 7000. Then only after you write the descending order. Okay, descending order means big to small. Big to small. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Okay, choose any 5 numbers only you can choose. Okay, okay children? Yes. Now you come to fifth question. Find the next 3 numbers in the following patterns. So patterns are given. That's a very easy pattern. So you think and write. Okay. So these 5 sums are homework. You take another one note, homework note. Okay. Classwork note and homework note is separate. So you take another one note, that is for homework note. So you take the homework, write it there. Okay. Yes. So only 5 sums and page number 5 sums and page number 8. Okay. Take the page number 8. Exercise 1.1. Is there? Yes. In exercise 1.1, in first question, write the smallest. First part is natural number. What is the smallest natural number? Listen. Don't write anything. Just listen. Okay. First question, write the smallest natural number. What is the smallest natural number? 1. Why? Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So therefore the smallest natural number is 1. Okay. So the answer is 1. That's a homework. But I said the answer also. No problem. You write it in the homework note. Okay children? Okay. Then second part is whole number. What is the smallest whole number? What is the smallest whole number? 0. Yes? Yes. Why? Whole number start with 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So therefore the smallest whole number is 0. Okay. So this is also homework. Write it in your homework note. Okay. And come to second question. Write the even numbers between. Write the even numbers between. You mark it the homework. In second question, first one and second one. Okay. In second question, first one and second one. Homework. And third question, write the odd numbers between in first one and second one. First one already I done, I think. Yeah, I done. So you come to second question only you do. Okay. Second and third. Okay. You marked? Yes. One more time. The homework is page number 5. Listen carefully. One more time. I will saying the homework. Page number 5. Page number 5. Try these. How many questions are there? 5 questions are there. So that also homework. And page number 8. Page number 8. Exercise 1.1. That's the first question. Homework. And second question, that is first part and second part. Only 2 questions only you do. Okay, that's enough. And third question, second one and third one. Exercise 1.1 la first question homework, second question la first one second one homework. சரியா? அதே மாதிரி third question la second one and third one. Okay? Understand? Yes. These sums are homework. So write it in your homework note and write it neatly and clearly. Okay, children, and you complete the classwork also. Along with your homework, you have to send the classwork note. Okay? Okay, children? Okay. So you practice all the sums in your home also. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.